walk me through, just from an attorney perspective, what are some things that my wife died, my son died, my neighbor, my whoever it is that I'm doing this for. Okay, now I've got to handle this.
Mhm.
How do I choose the attorney? What should I be looking for? What should I be thinking about? What's important? What's important? I'll give you, and if I could just before I hand this over to you, I kind of think about it from like a real estate agent's perspective, right? So the worst way to choose a real estate agent is to say, well, I'm just going to find the cheapest one. That's the worst. That's like probably the worst approach you could take, right? Because
Mhm.
they're not. All attorneys are not the same. All doctors are not the same. All real estate agents are the same. Not even everyone who mows the grass, even they're not the same. So it's, there's different kinds of quality of work and knowledge and competence and skill. Anyway, tell me what you think about that.
Yeah. I think a common thing we see is people choose the attorney that drafted the will. I think for families, sometimes they just go, they know, they see that name, they see their family worked with them, and therefore they think they should work with that attorney. That's not always the case, but that is sometimes where people start. My advice would be go online, read the reviews about the attorneys first, have a consultation with them to go sit down with the attorney, even if there's a charge. It's worth it. You're going to be working with this person for, the upcoming weeks or possibly months. So make sure that you like them. And as you're saying, your personalities get along with one another. This isn't something to ask your friend who happens to be a criminal attorney to just get you through the probate process of it. And so I think as you're talking about like prices or ease, sometimes they just look at the lowest maybe hourly rate. But if, like you're saying with your friend's situation, where if it goes on for months and months and months, that hourly rate's really going to add up. So you want to make sure that the attorney knows what they're doing, that this should be their main practice, I think. I don't think it should just be something on the side that they do occasionally, because you want to be with someone who knows the steps, knows the court process. Someone of that area too is a really good idea. So someone that's familiar with even Travis County, Williamson, and Bell County, they all handle it slightly different. So it's good to have someone who's familiar with that court process, knows the staff, that knows, because that's how you can get things done with more quick and ease, is to already know how the process works with it.